Evening News reader Roy Munro sent in the image of the snapped flagpole published 12:07 Monday 02 October 2017. The army flagpole was installed recently at the castle, but it's been damaged following the weather last night. Many readers were quick to get in touch with the Edinburgh Evening News to point out the damage. Edinburgh Castle confirmed that the flagpole had been damaged and that part of the castle was closed off to the public to ensure safety. The castle have been contacted for a statement. Merge accounts custom true.